Hey everyone, in this video we will learn if can you use YT-TV in CAT. YouTube TV is not officially available in Canada. It is only offered in the US. If you try to access YouTube TV in Canada, you'll get a location restrictions error. A VPN with US servers may allow access, but this violates YouTube TV's terms. Even with a VPN, a US payment method is required for subscription. Some users set up a virtual US address and use services like Wise for payments. Canadian alternatives include Stack TV via Amazon Prime, CTV, and Global TV. Some live CNN content is available on CNN's website without YouTube TV. US cable logins from friends or family may work for CNN's official app. For full YouTube TV access, a legitimate US residence and payment method are needed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.